Imagine a weapon so powerful it can blind satellites, melt missiles, or even control the stars, all from the vacuum of space. The Pentagon is racing to build laser weapons that could dominate the next frontier, but so are America's rivals. Are we on the brink of a space arms race that could threaten life on Earth? Or is this the key to global security? Today, we're exposing the truth behind laser weapons in space and the terrifying future they could unleash. Today, we're diving into the Pentagon's secret space laser programs, adversary threats, and what this means for humanity's future. Stick around for a mind-blowing reveal that'll change how you see the stars. Let's launch. The U.S. has been dreaming of space lasers since Reagan's Star Wars program in the 1980s, but today, it's closer than ever to reality. The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, is leading the charge. Their Persistent Optical Wireless Energy Relay Power program aims to beam laser energy across vast distances to power drones or satellites indefinitely. No fuel required. But DARPA's not stopping at powering drones. Their Modular Efficient Laser Technology (MELT) initiative is developing scalable high-energy lasers for combat. These could zap enemy satellites or missiles with pinpoint precision. Air Force Major Michael Orbit Nyack, a DARPA program manager, said in 2023, "We're looking to flip the script so innovators can provide the best ideas for space-based national security technology we didn't even know we needed." Here's the catch. These lasers aren't just defensive. DARPA's high-energy liquid laser area defense system, HELIDS, could scale up to destroy ground targets from orbit. A 100-kilowatt laser in space? That's enough to melt steel. But what happens if this tech is turned against us? While the U.S. builds its laser arsenal, China and Russia are hot on its heels. China has over 1,000 satellites, a third dedicated to military functions like surveillance and targeting. A 2025 report from the Center for Strategic and International Studies warns that China is developing laser-equipped satellites to disrupt U.S. communications. Russia's even more alarming. They're allegedly working on a nuclear-powered, space-based laser weapon capable of blinding hundreds of satellites. Space Force General B. Chance Saltzman warned in 2025, with China and Russia developing more anti-satellite weapons, it's time for the U.S. to build up its own defensive options. Picture this. A Russian laser blinds U.S. GPS satellites. Navigation systems fail, missiles miss their targets, and global trade grinds to a halt. Or worse, China hacks a U.S. laser satellite, turning it against American assets. The Pentagon's own reports admit that current defenses can't fully counter these threats. Are we already outgunned? Fast forward to 2040. DARPA's laser tech could create an internet of satellites, with Space BACN, a system using lasers for ultra-secure, high-speed communication. Ground troops could share real-time data across continents, untouchable by enemy jammers. But the civilian world could benefit too. Laser communications could connect remote regions, power space exploration, or even beam solar energy to Earth. Sounds utopian, right? Not so fast. What if governments weaponize these lasers to control space entirely? A 2024 American Academy of Arts and Sciences report warns that space-based lasers could destabilize global security, tempting superpowers to strike first. Imagine a world where one nation's laser grid holds every satellite hostage, or where rogue actors use stolen tech to spark chaos. Why is so much of this under wraps? DARPA's laser programs like MELT and POWER are heavily classified, with budgets buried in the Pentagon's $4.3 billion DARPA allocation for 2025. Leaked posts on X hint at secret tests in orbit, but the Pentagon won't confirm or deny. Then there's the cover-up angle. A 2025 Popular Mechanics report revealed DARPA's collaboration with SpaceX and Amazon's Kuiper to build laser communication networks. Officially, it's for connectivity, but insiders speculate these could double as weapon platforms. If true, private companies are now players in a space arms race. And don't forget the debris problem. A single laser strike could create thousands of fragments, turning low Earth orbit into a minefield. The 2007 Chinese anti-satellite test left 3,000 pieces of debris. Imagine that on a global scale. Here's the big reveal. Laser weapons are already in space. A 2025 Defense One report confirmed DARPA's power program has tested laser energy relays in orbit, a precursor to weaponized systems. Raytheon's $10 million contract to develop these energy webs proves the tech is moving fast. By 2050, space lasers could redefine warfare. The US might deploy a laser grid to shield its satellites or dominate adversaries. China and Russia could counter with their own networks, risking a stalemate where one wrong move triggers catastrophe. Or, in a hopeful twist, lasers could power interstellar missions, uniting humanity in exploration. But the question remains, who controls the trigger? Laser weapons in space are no longer sci-fi. They're here, and they're shaping our future. Will they protect us or plunge us into chaos? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are space lasers a threat or a necessity? Let us know if there is a topic you would like us to cover in future videos. Want to know about what China is doing on the dark side of the moon? Or if Lockheed Martin has cracked anti-gravity propulsion? We'll get on it. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon, and we will see you in the next one.